What's the meaning of chamber pot? Chamber pot. Chamber pot.
Chamber pot. Chamber pot. A chamber pot is a type of container, typically made of ceramic or metal, that was historically used as a toilet in households that did not have indoor plumbing. It would be placed under a bed or in a corner and used to collect urine and feces. The contents would then be emptied and cleaned out periodically. While chamber pots are no longer widely used today, they played an important role in the history of hygiene and sanitation, and provide insight into the ways in which people dealt with basic human needs before modern conveniences were developed.